This is a label template file. Unless you have the specific label printer software installed, like NiceLabel, you can't view the design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the viewer. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. The technical specification confirms the LBL is a specific instance of a document file. The file is saved under the Now Contact label template architecture. The LBL file is a highly proprietary contact label file used by Now UpToDate and Now Contact software. It contains template data, field mapping, and layout instructions specifically for printing contact lists onto physical label sheets. Developed by Now Software, the format is closed source and integrates deeply with the application's internal database. The file is unusable without the Now Contact application, which is required to correctly map the internal contact fields to the label layout instructions. For reliable opening Now UpToDate, Now Contact. By Now Software offers the best solution for LBL. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows provides a partial preview, but complete control over formatting needs specialized software. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the LBL file and click Open With. If Now UpToDate, Now Contact is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. The specificity of the LBL format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, identify the creator. Determine the application that created the file, e.g. Sage Act, Printmaster, or Brother PTouch Editor, as LBL is a generic extension. Next, check version. If the correct software is installed, ensure the file was not created by a newer version of the program than what you have installed, e.g. check file properties. Finally, open with Text Editor. Since the format is sometimes used for text-based label templates, open the file in Notepad to see if the structure is readable and identify program hints. Your testing shows the system couldn't handle the LBL file, which means we've reached the limit of standard tools. This is the moment to use our Plan B, a universal viewer made for resistant file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the LBL file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagic.com. Like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Only get files from trusted sources.